What's going on, Excel Fanatics? Verdexes here. Today I'm going through another Microsoft tutorial. This one is called Going Beyond Pie Charts. Now I've done a few, I don't know how many charts one. I think I definitely did another charts one prior to this, so if you're not familiar with charts, that might be a good idea to check that out. But otherwise, I haven't looked at this one yet. I'm excited to possibly learn something new. So let's go ahead. This is probably going to be a few parts. I'm just looking at the number of tabs down below. It is definitely going to be a bit. So yeah, let's go ahead. Let's get started today, please. First things first, when should you use a pie chart? When you need to show parts, slices, that make up a whole. This pie chart has only 4 slices. This is ideal because it gives you a quick idea of how much each sales rep contributed to sales in April 2019. If you end up with more than 4 slices, another chart is probably best. More on that later. I'm actually going to minimize this keyboard. I thought it was going to be helpful. Alright, so that was an intro. Before you create a pie chart, make sure your data is set up correctly. Create one column of categories and one column of values. Right here. Categories and values. Important detail. Notice that the number of categories determines how many slices end up in the pie chart. Also notice how Excel automatically calculates the percentages of each value behind the scenes. Then it sizes the slices for you. No need for you to write any formulas. Yeah, so it's proportionate to the numbers. Another thing to do beforehand, type a title above the values. This will end up as the title of the pie chart itself, so make it descriptive. Yeah, I mean, you should really do that for all charts, probably not just pie charts. So put a descriptive title here. So in this case, what they do is they actually have it, oh, no, this is manually, this is already manually in. I don't know if they meant to do that or not. Hold on, sorry. So in my other one, you'll see when you actually select the chart, if you go to the design, select data, and it's just taking the chart data here. So it's equaling, you see it's actually equal to C12 here. It's just feeding that directly. So that way you don't have to avoid doing any manual work for it. And I believe that was it for it, yeah. One last thing to do before creating a chart, sort, the chart's already made, what are you talking about? Sort the values from largest to smallest. This will make the slices easily readable in a clockwise direction. This column is sorted from largest to smallest, and the largest slice will start at the 12 o'clock position, and the rest of the slices will follow in a clockwise direction. So I never really realized that when using pie charts that there was an order to it, so that makes sense. Okay, so practice. In cell C11, type a descriptive title like April 2019 sales. Alright, so let's just do... I did not write that at all. I already failed. Now right-click any of the numbers and choose sort. Sort right, what? Oh, so, okay, so you can right-click, sort, I think largest to smallest. And if you also need to, you can go up to data and you can do sort here as well. Step number 3, select one of the cells with the numbers, then on the insert tab, click the pie button. So click that, insert, and that's pie. And then add the first 2D pie option. We did it. Move the pie to a better position so it's not blocking the instructions. And then at the top of the window, click the chart design, right, like I was showing you. Then click change colors. Oh, over here, okay. So these are all like, yeah, like the same. There's a few varieties of different ones. I like that one. You made a pie chart. Thank you. I might leave it here. As you can see, there's quite a few tabs here. So I think that was a quick, nice introduction. Maybe you didn't need to watch the charts because this is just the other chart video, but if you'd like to, definitely go ahead. It can't hurt. So I will continue this in part 2. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I will see you next time.